Wait, hold on. Who had a mustache on my? This is public school. I'm sorry. One second. Welcome back to math, Miss Bailey. Math. Please subscribe below. Public school. So I gotta get this thing done.
Yeah.
You serious? Did you butterfly or you like this?
Alrighty then.
This off-brand chocolate.
In physics lab, From attaches a wireless sensor to one of the spokes of a bicycle wheel of radius 16. Radius 16. So I got a wheel with a radius of 16. All right, centimeters rolling forward at a constant speed on a level ground. At time t equals 0.75, the sensor reaches its highest point. The next time the sensor reaches its highest point is at t equals 3.75. So at 0.75, it reaches its highest point, and then also again at 3.75. All right, so we have two peaks here, which also represents one full period. All right. Now, if the radius is 16, that radius of 16 is known as the amplitude, because it's going from 0 to 16, which is the midline. And then since 16 is the radius, double 16 will be the highest point at 32. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. And we need to get the period. The period is from subtracting these two x or y values. Subtracting the two x values, and we have a period of 3. So if we went 3 backwards, or halfway, because if we're doing from maximum to actually, we could just do the cosine, because cosine. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. So if we got maximum here, we know that cosine starts at maximum. So we have cosine. Y equals. We have the amplitude of 16. So that would be in front of the cosine. We have a period of 3. That 3 needs to go under our 2 pi. So that's going to be 2 pi over 3x. This shifted to the right by 0.75. If it shifted to the right, we do the opposite and minus 0.75. And then we need to get the midline. Plus 16. 16 cosine, 2 pi over 3 minus 0.75. Should I write this down before I erase it? And then we're going to plug it in, which is y equals 16 cosine of 2 pi over 3x minus 0.75 plus 16. Ooh. Did I mess with somewhere?
I think it wants, or I don't think it wants you to do the shift. Oh, did you get it wrong?
Because I had this equation yesterday and I put sine.
Oh, because the dash line at a dash midline start. Oh, the midline starts at t equals 0. Okay, so if it's a midline, then we talk about a sine function. Let me do this again. All right, let me do this. All right, equals. We have the sine, we have the amplitude of 16, we have the period of 2 pi over 3 x plus 16. Yes.
Okay, let's be honest. Okay. It doesn't matter what group I am in. I don't
That's the
answer.
last one. Period. It was 1 instead of 5.
Bada bing, bada boom. Wasn't that fun?
You got it wrong. It's not good though. I'm sorry. I'll apologize. I'll look over it now.
So close. So
David
close.
Bailey.
All right. Y'all ready to do another? Oh, Sanaya.
Sorry. She wants to try. It's always good to get out there.
Oh, Pierre, you give that good Oh, I like it. Lift her spirits.
Next problem.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna pay attention this time. Can you go over it again? Because he was teaching me how to do the one I'm on. So I wasn't paying attention.
Sure.
Thank you, Ms. Bailey.
Of
Or
course.
you know what? I can just look at the recording later. Because I'm just gonna be working on function 3 in this class.
So, you doing the sine, cosine, graph function 3? Okay. All right. So for this one says it's starting at the midline.
Is this right?
So if it's starting at the midline, we know we're dealing with sine. We have a maximum of 420. We have a minimum of 20. So the distance from max to minimum is 400. So the amplitude is 200.
So I start here, right?
The midline will be 220, the minimum plus the amplitude. The period, it says it first reaches the top at 1.75. The next time it reaches the top at 8.75. So that's a difference of 7. And we put that under, so that's 2 pi over 7 and bring that x back. So 200 times sine of 2 pi over 7x plus 220. All right. Okay, so this is Ethan attaches a wireless sensor to one of the spokes of a bicycle wheel, radius 10, rolling forward in the constant at time t equals 0, it reaches its highest point. So if it reaches its highest point at t equals 0, we're dealing with not a sine, but dealing with a cosine. We're dealing with the cosine because it's the maximum. And y equals, if our maximum is, the radius is 10, that's going to be our amplitude. The period is from the first highest point to the next highest point. It's a distance of 4. We're going to put that 4 under 2 pi, and that simplifies to pi over 2. We bring the x. There's no shifting. We need the midline, which will be at plus 10, which is the radius.
Josh, we gotta stop.
If he is saying something, you know it's bad.
Well, we're not gonna.
For now.
For now.
It's a free country for now.
I don't.
What's gonna happen?
Yeah. Let me see that.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, YouTuber.
Ooh, I think Lord.
You left me
Oh, Lord. Sorry. Alrighty.
Level 5.
Did y'all need me to do any more of the...
No.
Nah, actually,
Yes, ma'am.
nah, you good. I need help with this right quick, actually.
Which one you doing?
Level 5 or Func4 3. What's all
4/3.
Oh, yeah. You want me to do the one you're on?
You're only on function.
Oh, wait, shoot, I can't do...
I'll wait till you get down with it.
Second to last.
Well, I could go to that. What, that's level 5.
Function
Oh,
3, level 5.
yeah.
You had 14 questions.
Last time I checked, you were on the first one.
No, I just got the 4.
I don't want, no.
Nothing's happening, man. No attempts.
But it just started.
No. Scribe.
Me and Pia just helped me finish the last one.
Last couple things.
Started dancing.
I don't want no your time. Oh,
You still can't see it on YouTube,
oh, sorry.
What you doing?
Yes. Oh, sure.
though. Help with that.